Trupti Tank, student of Sri J.H. Baladia Women's College. Right now, I am in third year of Bachelor of Business Administration. Our principal, Dr. Kanani sir, and Babaria sir provided a wonderful opportunity to join finishing school program, which is held by KCG. We are really glad to grab this opportunity because we are learning lots of things from it. Here, especially I am going to talk about SETC, which is taken by Umesh Sujan sir. As a human being, we all are common. Stress and anger is a part of our life, but we never take it seriously. Here, sir explain what is a significance of stress management and anger management, how we can reduce stress and anger from our daily routine. I am really satisfied with each and every concept of finishing school. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal Parmar and I am from Sri J.H. Balodia Women's College. In finishing school set C, there are various topics, but I like the most is time management. So I would like to say something about that. Time management is all about self-management, how we manage our time in different activities and tasks. We all are used to say time is money. However, we can save money but we can't save our time, so management of time is very important. In set C, Sujan sir taught us wonderfully that how we can manage our time in different routine life as well as to achieving our life goal. We watched the various interesting videos about time management and also did activities about that, which is very helpful to understand the importance of time management. So I would like to thank Government of Gujarat and KCG for providing us this wonderful opportunity. Also thanks Coordinator Babaria sir and our Principal Kanani sir, and special thanks to all trainers for giving us this knowledge.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Shishangya and I am from Sri J.H. Bhalodia Women's College, Rajkot. I am in the last semester of BBA. I feel so blessed to be a part of such an amazing training program called Finishing School. Specifically here, I will mention Set C, which includes life skills and employability skills. This set was taken by Suzanne sir. This set deals with lots of important skills. Among them, I would like to talk about the most impactful one, that is leadership skills. A boss says I, but a leader says we. A leader is someone who takes his whole team along with him. He supports and encourages everyone to grow. He not only solves the problems, but also teach the team members how to solve them. In leadership skills session, Suzanne sir made us do interesting and creative activities by forming 4 groups along with the leaders, which was learning along with enjoyment. I am thankful to this training program for giving us lifelong lessons along with memories. Thank you.
A warm and a cherished morning to all. I am Shweta Mehta, student of Sri J.H. Balodia Women's College. I am in last year of my graduation in Bachelor's of Business Administration. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all those who worked hard to make finishing school training program successful. Firstly, I would like to thank Government of Gujarat and Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat (KCG) for this amazing idea of finishing school training program. It helped us a lot. Such programs are really needed to enhance our skills and walk along with the competitive world. Thank you, Government of Gujarat and KCG. I equally thank our Principal Kanani sir and our Coordinator Babaria sir for organizing this course in our college and allowing us to indulge in this course, as well as all the sessions were perfectly managed. Thank you Kanani sir and Babaria sir for that. A big thank you to Umesh sir, a wonderful trainer. All the activities you made us did were wonderful, creative, informative and very innovative. We enjoyed a lot and we will never forget such activities. Thank you Umesh sir. Lastly, I would like to thank all my trainees for being so supportive. We had a great learning time all together. Thank you my dear friends. Coming to end of my speech, I would like to thank all of you from core of my heart and truly appreciate you. Thank you.
Namaste. I am Sneha Chotada from Sri J.H. Balodia Women's College. I am study last year of my graduation and I got the opportunity for the attending finishing school session. For that, I want to thank the KCG for the starting of this amazing and marvelous project. It gives us a very valuable knowledge. My second thanks go to our college principal Kanani sir and coordinator Dr. Babaria sir. They both are always in the search of the things which gives us a knowledge. Here I am going to share some viewpoint of a set C which is taken by Umesh Sujan sir. Set C is a very nice. A whole set C is very knowledgeable, but particularly the part teamwork is attract my full attention. The teamwork is very useful in our personal life as well as professional life. It is very important for all of us. Teamwork, by the studying this teamwork, it's give a really meaning. The Gujarati kehawat, Zaja hath radiyaman. By the attending finishing school session, I can see change in my behavior. So, I just want to thank all the well-wisher of my career. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nehal Makwana and I am from Sri J.H. Palodia Women's College. Today I would like to share my some experience about the set C. Set C is taken by Sujan sir. All topics are very nice and knowledgeable. Out of all topic, positive attitude and motivation is my favorite one. Positive attitude is a key term of our success life and motivation, various motivation available in life. Internal motivation, external motivation and self-motivation. Out of all, self-motivation is the strongest power to stable our life in every situation, any situation. So I would like to thank our government of Gujarat and I grateful to our college principal Kanani sir and coordinator Babaria sir. And I am also grateful to our set C trainer Sujan sir and all other trainers to give such informative and knowledgeable information and to make this session very interesting and interactive and enhance our knowledge and learning skill.